What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning into Stock Essentials. My name is Alex, and today we're going to be going over Robinhood IPO. Should you buy into this company? A lot of you use Robinhood. I myself am a Robinhood user. It's not my main brokerage, but I do love Robinhood for its super easy interface. Now, that's really what drives a lot of users to this brokerage. It's very easy, very simple, and it's just a pleasant user experience. And a lot of people love that about Robinhood. Of course, there's some controversy about Robinhood that we'll go over later, but overall, I think Robinhood is a fine brokerage, besides some of the shady stuff that they do. And they are the ones who revolutionized investing. They started the trend of free commissions. So that is one of the main reasons why a lot of users flock towards Robinhood for that commission-free trading trend. But also, a lot of these other brokerages came out with free commission trading. So there's a lot of options on the market right now, but a lot of people continue to use Robinhood because of its super easy to use interface. So should you buy into this IPO? It's going to IPO around $38 to $42. I think that's a pretty attractive price. It's a pretty low price, especially for something as big as Robinhood. Something as recognizable as this company. This company does make a lot of money. Obviously, it's not going to be through the commissions of trading, but they do make money elsewhere from Robinhood Gold, as well as the cash management account, and also selling your order flow to firms, which we'll go into later. But I'm planning on buying into Robinhood IPO as a day trade. So I currently have about 50 shares requested, and I'm planning on upping that up to around 100, possibly even 200, based on how much buying power I can free up. But before we get started, take a look at the link in the description for our Patreon, patreon.com/marketgains1. It'll bring you to this page, only $20 a month, and we have a bunch of live trades. We have dozens of options analysts, crypto analysts, as well as stock analysts. Buy and sell signals around an 80% win rate. And an example trade here is we bought to open Lucid Motors for around $72 per contract, and then we sold to close around $125, which is around 75% gain in just a matter of minutes, just 5 minutes for a 73% gain. So take a look at the link in the description for that. But hopping back into Robinhood markets, I'm planning on investing into this company as a day trade. Most IPOs are at favorable prices, and at $42 is pretty cheap. If you take a look at, say, Airbnb, when they IPO'd, people got into Airbnb at $68 per share, so it was a very attractive price, and then it skyrocketed to highs of $200. So I'm planning on playing Robinhood as a day trade, kind of scalping it, because I do think that it's gonna rise after it becomes public, but then it's gonna end up dumping because of all the controversy. A lot of people don't really want to invest in this company because of the shady stuff they've been doing, which is actually when they halted trading of securities during the phase when GameStop was during its squeeze. They actually halted trading around this time, early January, and then it caused the stock to plummet. They only allowed the selling of these stocks, which includes GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry, Nokia. They only allowed selling of the stock, which caused GameStop and all these other stocks to fall in price. So it was literally price manipulation, and a lot of people are not happy with that. So that's why I do think that after a small pump from its direct listing, it will end up falling. But overall, Robinhood is a solid company. They have millions of users, and they do make a lot of money. So Robinhood does do that, and they make their money off of services such as Robinhood Gold, as well as selling order flow to firms. So with Robinhood, because it is free to trade, you are the product. So they're selling you to other firms, and this allows these firms to see all the transactions and actually trade based off of this information. They're basically selling your information. And that's the case with other like social media giants such as Facebook, Twitter, and all of that stuff. But overall, it's not too big of a deal. My plan is simple. Just try to get in during this IPO phase. It's not guaranteed, of course. They choose people at random to buy the stock. But if you do get chosen, you're going to be owning the security at a very favorable price. If I don't get in at this price point, I do think I will still buy into it, but for a very, very quick day trade, try to scalp maybe $100 or so. Not getting too greedy, just a quick day trade. That's my plan. But if they didn't do all the shady stuff with the halting of the stocks, I probably would have just bought and hold this stock for a long term. They revolutionized trading with commission free, which is a trend that many other brokerages are following, such as Fidelity, Webull, Charles Schwab, TD Ameritrade, all commission free trading. So they set that trend, and we have Robinhood to thank for that. But I still like using Robinhood. It does favor a very easy to use interface, and I like using it as a brokerage, as one of my brokerages. Of course, I have many. But that's about it for this video. That's my plan on Robinhood IPO. Leave a comment down below what your thoughts are, if you're going to be buying into this company, and of course subscribe if you're new to the channel. It helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.